Hello friends, welcome to my cooking show. So now I am going to make some pasta with white sauce and lots of veggies. So as you can see, I have kept here chopped onion, carrots, tomatoes and bell pepper and corn and fresh basil and some of this green chili. If you want, you can add, otherwise you just skip this step. The first step, we are going to fry this onion, carrot, bell pepper, corn and tomatoes. Then we'll make the white sauce. Then we're gonna make the final step of the pasta. So first we are going to fry the veggies. So for that I have taken some butter and let the butter melt. Then in this step actually I will prefer to add this green chili to get as much as flavor I can. Because when it is very hot you don't get that. So then I'll add chopped onion. Just fry it a bit. So here you can see the onion is getting little bit translucent, so and a bit caramelized, and at this point I will add all the veggies except tomatoes. So I give it a mix, just fry a bit. So I will not overcook this veggies. So just briefly mix and for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes of frying this veggies, I will add chopped tomatoes. And mix it properly. At this point I will add some salt and black pepper. So salt to taste. Mix it. Then brown and black pepper. So our veggies are almost done. So briefly fry this for just 1 minute now. So almost the process is 5 to 6 minutes. Then when it is ready, we will keep it aside and start making our white sauce for the pasta. So as you can see, I have already cooked my pasta and these are nicely cooked, and I will add this pasta at the end after we prepare the white sauce. So now the veggies are done. And now we will shift this to a plate and use the same pan to make our white sauce. Now we will make this white sauce for our pasta. I will add some butter, good amount of butter. So we are making pasta for 2 person. So you can make accordingly for more people. So after this butter is melted, we can put some regular flour. I will add just 1.5 of spoon of flour. Then mix it properly. I have turned the heat to low. So after this is properly mixed, we are going to add some milk. Almost a cup of milk. mix it properly. So I am using this whisker to make this white sauce and just mix it properly so that we can get rid of these small lumps of our flour. And I will add here some salt. So this sauce is almost ready. So I will add some salt. So as you remember, we have already added some salt to our veggies and also to the pasta. So that's why I have just added a bit of salt to this for this sauce, and some grounded black pepper. So this is almost ready, so thick and creamy. So we still have to add some cheese. I have Parmesan cheese, and it's almost ready. Then we are going to add other veggies that we have already fried. And of course the pasta. Then properly mix it. So after we mix, you can see it's almost ready. So I'm now just going to add some cheese. So I'm using this Parmigiano cheese. Just add around 2 spoons of Parmigiano cheese. And then I'm adding fresh basil, freshly chopped basil. Mix it properly. So now the cafe style pasta with white sauce is almost ready to serve for a perfect dinner. So friends, our pasta is ready. You can see I have served it on a plate. So it looks really good. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye, take care.